All right, now we're going to the interface. That was the setup and configuration portion of it. We're going to look at the interface options. So one thing that comes up is in the options on the selection tab, you have control over your Pickbox size. And this can actually make life a little easier or a little bit more difficult. I've seen a lot of new installs show up with a very small Pickbox, or somebody changed it to this and didn't know how to change it back. It was done accidentally. What this controls is when you start any command that has a select objects prompt, so something like erase or move or copy. When you start that command, you get this teeny tiny little select box. I can't do anything with that. I can't really see what I'm picking on or what I am on. So one of the first things you can do, come back into your options on the selection tab and resize that pick box to something that's a lot more comfortable for you. Now, when I start the erase, I get a much larger pick box. I can actually see what I'm picking and where I'm selecting. The other thing with the interface is this is kind of a workflow situation. Don't work 10,000 feet up. If you got to work with fine details, get in there, zoom in there. The nice thing about AutoCAD is zoom is a transparent command. It works inside and during every command. You can pan around, you can zoom in closer, you can zoom out, and you're still in your command. So try to get closer, get that model geometry bigger to where you can select it more easily and work with it more easily.